It is Sunday, November 22, and I have worked with my friend Tom all day today getting this rail is installed. You can see the little clips on the ground. Most of the clips are already in, and we actually did a test run with this little train car. These are drains. If you look, the little whiteness that you see on the left and the right side of the rail are places that I had to do some grinding. If you notice, on the left and on the right, here and over here and down here, I had a fair amount of grinding in order to keep my train rail level. So, but it actually rolls pretty nicely. Let's give it a push. And another little push. And another little kick. And this is the end of the line right now. But I wanted to be able to get through this corner. And we had a little bit of regrinding to do in order to get through here. The heights are good. And the rail car seems to do what it needs to do as far as tracking. So this is the first time I've had a chance to push a rail car today. So that is the end of today's video. I'll just flip that around so we can see this section of rail. That's it.